Evening guys, Stevie here. Tonight I'm going to be tying the Leggy Bibio. It's a pattern I do quite well with this time of year, through August anyway. Generally when you get the heather fly about. So it works on most waters, to be honest. It's a pulling fly. But you can tie it as a dry fly as well. But in the vise we've got a size 10, you can tie them in 10s or 12s, but the hook I'm using is a Fario Wetfly hook size 10 tonight. And the thread I'm using is Unithread in 8/0 black. So we'll run a bit of thread down the hook. I've already waxed it. And on the way down I'll tie in the rib. So it's fine silver wire. This is a uni wire, the soft wire. And look, there's actually two ribs in this, so the other rib is Mylar number 14 pearl. Another good variant's red holographic if you want to use that. But I like the pearl. I'll just tie the two of them in. Just come back up. Back down. Just to where the barb would normally be. And for the body, just using the usual black seal's foot. It's the usual Bibio colours. So just dub this on quite tight. And for the middle I'm using Vineyard's fluorescent red seal's foot. So a wee pinch of that. I've got all sorts of Bibios. I tie them in snatchers, I tie them in hoppers. Well, this is quite a lot of hoppers, this got hopper legs in it right enough. Back onto the black. And get your pearl and just take it under the hook. Cross over. Oops, hold on. Bumped that with my hand. Cross over. Cut off the waist. And first hackle goes in as a cock hackle. This is a saddle hackle, just natural black. Just tie all that down. So just a turn and then just come down the body. Get your wire, catch it all in. Pull everything back. Off of that. And off of that as well. And for the legs you can either use red or black. In this case I'm using black. knotted pheasant tail. This is just ones I bought for vineyards. So 3 legs each side. These can be quite footery to get them sitting right. They're not bad. And same for the other side. Cut off the waist. And for the collar hackle, I've got this black hen. Tie this in tip first. See, I've caught fish in the far north with this. I've caught fish everywhere. Caught fish in Rutland, Gratham, the lake, Loch Leven. It's a good fly on its date. So you can tie this as heavy as you want, but I'll just put 2 turns on it. Right up, cross it over. Cut off the waist. And just tidy up. And whip finish. Just holding everything back. I can see a wee bit of fluff there, so the old lighter trick. Just watch when you're doing that, make sure you don't burn the whole fly. And to finish the fly off, I'm going to varnish the head. And clean the eye of the hook. So that's it guys, that's a Leggy Bibio. I hope you enjoyed that one. I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.